Hi guys!
Hi,
It's Kimmy.
it's Eric.
Welcome back.
Something exciting?
Yes. On Instagram, I follow Costco deals, and they were showing this stuff like crazy. So I was like, what's the big deal? So me and Eric went to Costco because we were just going because we needed, what did we need? Oh, we returned something, and then we just looked around and we're like, well, let's go see these ramen. Let's get one so we can see what the big deal is about these. So we went and it was completely empty. And we were like, okay. So then we went back because we were looking for something again. And then we're like, well, let's just go see if they restocked it. And then they did. So we're like, all right. So we took one and now we're going to try it for you guys.
Yeah, and the reason why we're gonna try it is because it's made by Nongshim, the famous Korean instant ramen makers. The makers of Shin Ramen. You know, every Asian's favorite.
So the reason we wanted to review is because we were curious to see if it really is worth the hype. And then a lot of people are asking us, oh, cool. Like, what does it taste like? Is it any good? Is it really worth it?
Yeah, after posting on her story, so many people asked. So I figured this is the best way. And you know, normally ramen doesn't taste like tonkatsu. You gotta actually have, you know, all the ingredients to actually taste like real ramen. So
We'll go ahead and try it now.
cool. All right, so I'm gonna open it so we can see what's inside.
So it says Tonkotsu Ramen. It takes 4 minutes in the microwave. But we actually boiled water, so we're just going to put the boiled water in.
Yeah.
So when you open it, it looks like this.
Chili oil, chili sauce, or seasoning. Let me do that. So chili sauce, which is like oil, seasoning, and inside there's little pieces of onion and garlic. This is pretty unique because a lot of instant noodles, you know, it's either hot or it's not. There isn't really a choice to let you add spice to your desired preference. All right, now onto the water. Ready?
So we poured the water in, and now we're waiting for it to get soft, the noodles. But we're hungry, so we're going to have a snack.
Also from Costco. Alright guys, so we did one spicy and one non-spicy to see the differences. Yeah, so this one definitely looks much more red.
It smells like cup of noodles.
Kind of is.
Are you going to try it with me?
Yeah. It's gonna splash. Alright, ready?
It tastes just like cup of noodles.
Yeah?
What the heck? Yeah, what's so special about it?
Yeah. I mean, it's not bad, but it doesn't, like, if you didn't tell me what it was, I wouldn't know it's tonkatsu Nongshim noodles.
Right. Okay, let's try the spicy one. Oh. It's gonna be that spicy, right?
I don't know.
Oh, it smells better already, though.
Oh.
I like the way this one smells. Ah.
Oh my.
Go
ahead.
I'll put it over here.
It tastes much better with the hot sauce. There's much more flavor. And I think the spiciness enhances the pork broth. Like, you taste it more.
But it's not spicy.
Yeah, the hot sauce makes it way better.
Yeah, it tastes a lot better with the hot sauce.
Yeah, so... okay, so we'll try the broth. I'll try the non-spicy first.
Okay.
You don't want to try it?
Oh. Well, you're the ramen expert.
It's good, but I mean,
I'll try it.
not
hot.
not anything like super special, in my opinion.
It's cup of noodle.
I'm gonna try the hot one. Yeah, with the hot sauce, it tastes much better.
Yeah.
I think the chili oil or something enhances the flavor. All right, so overall review. By itself, it's not spicy. I would not recommend it. But with the hot sauce, I would recommend it.
Same.
It seriously makes that much difference.
Yeah.
So
and I don't like spicy stuff. This isn't spicy.
yeah, so at first I was actually kind of disappointed, and I wasn't gonna recommend it. But after trying the spice with the chili oil, it's much better, and I would recommend it. And I think it's pretty good. I would probably get it again. Yep.
But would you get it in such a big pack?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Actually, I haven't seen it anywhere other than Costco as of now, and we
Right.
just went to like Nine Ranch and stuff recently. So
Okay, Eric.
after that, since
After
I'm like
thoughts.
pretty much almost done. The soup is actually really good. Like once you get down to it, and there's the pieces of garlic that are, in my opinion, I like it because I like garlic. But for some people, it might be kind of strong, but I feel like it tastes pretty good. And I don't think I ever had ramen with it has slices of garlic in it, so I think that's pretty cool. But yeah, it tastes really good.
And you said you want to talk about the noodles?
Oh yeah, the noodles are kind of just like, it just kind of tastes like the noodles in your average cup noodles. It's just very normal, basic cup noodles style.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's not like the packets like this where it's like thicker and it's like, how do you say it, like more Q in Chinese. But yeah, excuse me. But it's good. I recommend it.
Yeah, and
You gotta get all the way down to the bottom.
yeah, and I'm still eating over here. I don't know how you ate it so fast.
Yeah. I'm hungry. We actually bought a lot of Costco stuff, so if you guys have any
Other
recommendations,
suggestions,
yeah,
yeah,
let us
for
know.
us to review.
Don't forget to subscribe for more Costco stuff if you guys want it.
And like the video if you liked it.
Yeah. See you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.